Hey designers, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll show you how to create that beautiful Apple style glass effect, also known as Glassmorphism. It's a sleek, modern design trend that's super popular in macOS 26. With Figma's new glass effect update, recreating this look is easier and more realistic than ever. In the past, when we wanted to create a glass effect in Figma, we usually just added a semi-transparent background, something like 2% or 5% opacity, and then applied a background blur. While that did give a frosted look, it wasn't quite like the genuine glass effect. Now, Figma has officially introduced a new glass effect inspired by Apple's design, especially the updated visual in macOS 26. This effect is crafted especially to recreate the realistic, reflective glass feel, just like Apple does it. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to make this effect in Figma. So why delay? Let's jump into the video. Alright, so to create this glass effect, the first thing I'm going to do is get the design ready. I'm starting with a simple mobile menu bar, just drawing a rectangular box and setting the border radius to 50 to make it fully rounded and smooth. Next, I'm adding a few icons and buttons inside the bar to complete the layout. Now, here's an important part. If you try to apply the glass effect, it won't work properly. Why? Because it's not using auto layout yet. So, we need to select everything, group them nicely, and turn it into an auto layout frame. Let's set the fill color to transparent. Around 5% works great, but you can go with 2%, 10%, or whatever level of transparency you want, depending on how strong you want the glass effect to look. Head over to the Apex panel and choose glass. I'm choosing light angle, set it to -45 degree for that nice top left shine. And light intensity, crank it up to 80%. Reflection also around 80%, but you can play with this. If it's 0%, there will be no shine at all. I'm choosing the depth, I'm setting it to 20%. This controls how much of the background gets reflected. And the dispersion, honestly not a huge change. You can leave it low or adjust slightly. And then I make the frost to 6. Frost means this controls the blur. I added just a touch to soften it up. You can play with this. And boom, you can already see how it reflects the background.